I saw
There.
that.
Hey, Joe.
Did Joe just get on?
Joe just got on.
I
Yep.
can't see him.
He's
All right.
there.
I'd like to call to order the Carl Place Union Free School District's Special Board of Education meeting of January 27th, 2022 at 3:34 p.m. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Ooh, we're recording.
I pledge allegiance to the
Allegiance to the
flag
flag
of the United
United
States of America and
and
to
to
the
the
republic
republic
for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please be seated. This meeting is being held via Zoom because the board members are in 5 different locations and the superintendent and Mrs. Fredericks are in the office at the school. We have one item on the consent agenda, and that is in regards to this amicus brief, which is a friend of the court filing by several school districts. There was an initial amicus brief filed earlier, I believe it was, I think it terminated at noon today. However, we're joining the amicus brief via a supplemental pleading. So it will be added to the amicus brief that was originally filed. This resolution will be on the website, correct, Superintendent Finn?
Yes, it is.
Okay. I'll see if I can read it off my phone. Resolved that in connection with the special meeting, the Board of Education hereby waives any notice periods required to be given to the members of the Board of Education and or public in advance of any regular and or special meeting of the board as required by any district policy and or regulation. And be it further resolved that the Board of Education hereby appoints Nicholas C. Regano, Esquire of the law firm Regano LLC to serve as pro bono special counsel for the Board of Education in connection with a matter discussed in executive session. Be it further resolved that the Board of Education authorizes Nicholas C. Regano, Esquire of the law firm of Regano LLC to commence any needed pro bono legal action necessary for the submission of an amicus curiae brief on behalf of the Board of Education in connection with the January 28th, 2022 hearing in the case of Michael Dimitri et al. v. New York State Department of Health et al. Docket number 2022-00532, index number 616124/2021, currently pending before the Supreme Court of the State of New York Appellate Division, Second Department, and to submit such amicus curiae brief at no cost to the Carl Place Union Free School District and or the Board of Education of the Carl Place Union Free School District. And be it further resolved that the Board of Education authorizes the President of the Board of Education to execute any necessary pleadings in connection with the above referenced legal action and submission of an amicus curiae brief on behalf of the Board of Education. And be it resolved that the Board of Education hereby approves the pro bono retainer agreement with Nicholas C. Regano, Esquire of the law firm Regano LLC, and authorizes the President of the Board of Education to execute such retainer agreement on behalf of the Board of Education. This resolution was sent to our attorneys, Rich Gercio and Eric Levine, and they read it, and they don't see anything that of concern to them. And they felt that if the board wishes to approve, we can go ahead and approve it, and therefore be part of this supplemental package. Supplemental pleading in the amicus brief.
Can I ask a question?
Yes.
Did he review the retainer agreement
He did.
and he approved of it?
Yes, he did. He sent it to me.
Okay.
Well, even though you're authorizing me to sign it, I won't be signing it until I wouldn't sign it unless everybody reviews it, just so everybody knows. All right, if that, we can vote. May I have a motion to vote on this resolution 1 and 1.1, the one reso on this consent agenda? May I have a motion?
Before I vote, so Garcio and Eric are good with this lawyer.
Yes, the resolution, they don't have a problem with it.
But the firm is, I mean, the guy
I-
himself, as far as the case, I guess.
I assume, did Joe, Neil, you guys talked to Gercio. Did he say anything about Regano that we have to be concerned about?
Only that he's not an education lawyer and Rich knows
Right.
nothing, doesn't know him personally. Rich's brother has met him. He talked to
Right.
Rich's brother, but that was it. He's not an
He,
education lawyer.
He's a environmental lawyer.
real estate,
real estate,
Yeah,
whatever.
good.
several different.
You know,
As
he's
long as this
filing-
can't get us down a hole, because this guy's taking us down some hole that I don't know about.
Do we want to get Rich on the call? Well, we can't talk to him since we're
I
in
did,
public session.
remember, we're in public session, we're being recorded, just so everybody remembers. I did speak to Mr. Regano. He's, you know, he's a pro bono lawyer. He will file the paperwork for us. I believe that that's what he's going to do. He's representing the several districts that have signed on for this. So, and yes, Mr. Levine did send me all the paperwork. It was reviewed by Gercio and Gercio.
Yeah, if they're okay, I'm okay.
Yeah, they appeared to be fine with the resolution and what they're going to do.
What are the resources that we're gonna have to dedicate to this?
This is simply a letter, I believe, that's in support of the suit. So, you know, tomorrow they're supposedly going to make a decision on the masking. So it's just a friendly letter in support of the suit. That's what you're agreeing to.
Right. I used to file these in my previous life, and what you're saying to the judge is that we believe in a certain thing, and please consider our opinion. So this is another school district saying that, you know, please consider our opinion. Whether that helps or not, who knows? Depends on as Eric told me, it depends on the judge, which it always does.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, may I have a motion? May I have a motion to approve Reso 1 and 1.1?
I'll make the
I'll make the-
motion.
I'll second it.
Okay, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye. All right, that ends
I'm
our,
abstaining.
that
I'm
ends our meeting.
abstaining.
John is abstaining.
Okay.
Can I just ask another question? On these attachments, I saw a lot of community letters, one from Comac, one from Massapequa.
Yes, our backup letter is the letter that we sent to Governor Cuomo back in June. As you, I looked through those letters. Many of them are older letters.
So is that what we're sending as well to this
That's what
lawyer?
I'm going to provide to the lawyer, yes.
Okay. All right, good.
Anything
Thank
else?
Nope.
If there's nothing else, may I have we have 4 ayes, 1 abstention. May I have a motion to close the public session?
I'll make the motion.
Seconded, please.
McLaughlin.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm
All in
gonna,
favor?
Aye.
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 5 ayes.